How to buy Bitcoin, a beginner's guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, you're likely curious about Bitcoin. And guess what? You're right on time. Now is the perfect time to get started with crypto. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy Bitcoin in just a few simple steps so you can start building your future wealth. Trust me, this opportunity won't last forever, and you don't want to miss out. Let's dive in. First things first, why now? Well, Bitcoin is still relatively early in its adoption. While millions of people are already on board, there's a ton of room for growth. The price has already skyrocketed in the last few years, but experts predict that we've only seen the beginning. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or a complete beginner, this is your chance to get in at a relatively low point before it potentially hits the mainstream. All right, here's the breakdown. If you're a beginner, don't worry, I'm going to keep it simple and easy. Follow these steps. You need to pick an exchange where you'll actually buy your Bitcoin. There are a ton of exchanges out there, but I highly recommend Coinbase and Kraken for their reliability, ease of use, and security. Let's take a closer look at both. Sign up for your exchange, whether it's Coinbase or Kraken. You'll need your email, password, and some personal info to verify your identity. It's all about security, people. Once you're verified, it's time to deposit money into your account. You can usually transfer via bank transfer, debit card, or even PayPal, depending on the exchange. Choose what's easiest for you. Once your funds are available, head to the Buy section on the exchange, choose how much Bitcoin you want to purchase, and hit Buy. That's it. You'll own Bitcoin now. After you purchase your Bitcoin, you'll want to store it securely. You can leave it on the exchange, or for extra safety, transfer it to a crypto wallet like a Ledger or Trezor. That's the quick guide. Easy, right? Now, let's talk about Coinbase and Kraken, the two best platforms to use for buying Bitcoin. Coinbase, user-friendly interface, perfect for beginners. Supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin. Great mobile app to manage your portfolio on the go. Insurance for stored funds, so your assets are protected. Beginner-friendly educational resources. Fees can be a bit higher compared to other exchanges. Limited advanced trading features for experienced users. Coinbase is perfect if you're a beginner and you want to get in quickly without much hassle. It's also super trusted by the crypto community. You can start using it today by clicking my affiliate link in the description below. Kraken, lower fees than Coinbase, especially for large transactions. Wide variety of cryptocurrencies available. Advanced trading options for more experienced users. Highly secure, Kraken has a strong reputation for keeping your funds safe. Above average 24/7 customer support. Kraken is perfect if you're serious about diving into crypto with a bit more experience, or if you want lower fees. But don't worry, even if you're just starting, Kraken is still a solid option. You can use my affiliate link in the description to get started with Kraken too. Alright, now you've got the steps and you know the best exchanges to use. But listen, don't waste any more time. Click the links in the description to get started with Coinbase or Kraken today. Trust me, now is the best time to invest in Bitcoin, and you don't want to regret waiting. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and comment below if you have any questions. I want to hear from you. Also, if you're loving the content and want to support the channel, be sure to check out my Ko-fi link in the description. Every bit of support helps me create more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and remember, time is money. Get your Bitcoin now, and let's secure your future. Catch you in the next video.